Today I'm testing one of the most talked about cleaning devices of the year, the Dyson V15 Detect Absolute with the submarine wet cleaning attachment. Is it actually worth the money? Does it really replace a mop? And is the submarine attachment a genuine upgrade or just Dyson marketing magic? I spent the last few days putting it through real-world testing on hardwood floors, pet messes, kitchen spills, and general apartment grime. Here's what actually stood out. What this vacuum is and what it's not. The V15 Detect Absolute is Dyson's top cordless vacuum, known for its laser dust detection, strong suction, and interchangeable heads. But the part that everyone's asking about is the submarine attachment. Basically, Dyson's version of a powered wet floor cleaner. Think of it as a hybrid tool. It vacuums light debris. It uses a continuously hydrated microfiber roller, and it extracts dirty water into a separate tank. It's not a carpet cleaner, it's not a steam mop, and it's not meant for heavy-duty deep cleaning. Dyson designed it for everyday maintenance on sealed hard floors. Unboxing and first impressions. Dyson gives you several attachments, but the submarine head is definitely the star. The first thing I noticed, it's heavier than a normal vacuum head, but it feels sturdy. The water tank clicks in easily, and the dirty water tank has a clear indicator line, which I appreciated more than I expected because it fills up fast. One thing that surprised me, the roller stays consistently damp on its own. There's no spray button, no steam, and no soap involved. It's very set it and forget it, which is either convenient or limiting depending on what you like. Performance testing. Real floors, real mess. I tried it on. Hardwood tile, kitchen high traffic zones, a few dried spills, and the classic pet paw prints test. Here's what I found. 1. Everyday dirt? Excellent. The submarine glides smoothly and picks up dust, crumbs, and footprints in one pass. It leaves the floor slightly damp but not wet. 2. Sticky kitchen spots, better than expected. It didn't scrape like a steam mop, but the roller pressure lifted dried-on food with 2 or 3 passes. 3. Pet messes. This is where it shines. The dirty water tank turns murky almost instantly, which is oddly satisfying and slightly horrifying. 4. Edges and corners. Dyson still hasn't mastered corners. Good, not perfect. 5. Noise level. Quieter than the vacuum head. You can definitely use it early in the morning without waking neighbors. Overall, it's genuinely good for maintenance cleaning. If you want one tool that keeps hard floors looking polished with minimal effort, this fits the niche. The cons. Let's be honest, no review is complete without the things that annoyed me. The dirty water tank fills up faster than you expect. You cannot use soap or cleaning solutions, only plain water. You must rinse the roller after every use or it smells. It won't tackle extremely sticky or deep grime. It's pricey, especially if you only want the submarine head. This device is for people who want convenience, not deep scrub power. Who this is best for? After testing, I'd recommend the Dyson V15 submarine setup for people with mostly hard floors, pet owners, small to medium apartments, anyone who hates traditional mopping, people who like fast, maintenance-style cleaning. If you want a single device that vacuums and wet cleans without taking out a bucket, it's worth it. If you need heavy-duty scrubbing power or disinfecting, think steam. This won't replace those tools. The Dyson Submarine isn't hype. It does what it promises. It won't change your life, but it absolutely upgrades everyday cleaning. It saves time, it's surprisingly satisfying to use, and you really see the difference in the dirty water tank. If you're someone who prefers quick, efficient cleaning routines, it's genuinely a great addition.